The new EQT from Mercedes EQ offers families as well as recreationally active people an attractive entry into the fully electric world of the Mercedes brand. The electric small van combines compact exterior dimensions with ample space. At the same time, thanks to the protected, space-saving installation of the battery in the underbody, with a favorably low center of gravity, it offers almost the same variability and functionality in the interior as the conventionally powered T-Class. The EQT is 4,498 mm long, a long wheelbase variant will follow this year. Thanks to the black panel radiator grille with central star and dynamically designed radiator fins, the new EQT is instantly recognizable as a member of the Mercedes EQ family. Just like the T-Class, the new EQT offers many advantages that make everyday life easy and comfortable for families and the recreationally active. These include the low loading sill of only 561 mm, which makes it easier to load heavy items. The sliding doors on both sides of the vehicle each have an opening aperture of 614 mm in width and 1059 mm in height. This allows convenient access to the rear, and loading can be done flexibly from 3 sides, including the tailgate. There is room for up to 3 child seats on the rear bench seat. With the standard Mercedes-Benz user experience infotainment system and access to a wide range of digital extras from Mercedes-Me, the EQT sets standards in connectivity in the small van segment. The strengths of MBUX include the adaptive software, the intuitive operating concept via the 7-inch touchscreen or the touch control buttons on the steering wheel, the smartphone integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the hands-free system via Bluetooth connection and the digital radio. MBUX is optionally available with an integrated navigation system and intelligent voice assistant, Hey Mercedes. At market launch, an electric motor with a peak output of 90 kilowatts or 122 horsepower and a maximum torque of 245 Nm is available. The lithium-ion battery sits in a crash-protected location in the underbody in front of the rear axle and has a usable capacity of 45 kilowatt-hours. At work, at home or at public charging stations, the EQT can be conveniently charged with alternating current at 22 kilowatts, using the onboard charger. The process is even faster at fast charging stations with direct current. With an 80 kilowatts DC charger, the charging time is 38 minutes from 10 to 80%. The EQT is charged at the front under the Mercedes Star, which is practical and convenient, especially when charging in the city in tight parking situations. Prices start at around €49,000 for the EQT with 90 kilowatts electric motor and standard length.